Hi guys, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you doing? So, omulango gwamwe gubadde mungi. People have been asking me buno bukesi mbu restocking addi. In fact, I've restocked them ate ne nzireetera mu 4 different colors. Yeah, buno busuitcase abatabujjukira bwe buno luggage handle ka 2-piece kaina special laptop ate nga kaina ne charging system. Akazipu sakaloko. Yeah, so we come and open here like this. Waliwo yangambye mu comment section use English. Siri ready ku using English at the moment. Abana wa TikTok omusabula mwagala kunsabula nga nkubye embogo naye. Let's go. I'm going to try mixing English and Luganda. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. Wano connecting a power bank here, no charging a special laptop. Yeah. Wano take a laptop here. Ate then enojo kolache enojo take into it. So this is how big the medium size is. The medium size looks like that. Yeah. It has an extension, an extension zip. Yeah, no. Just in case or in a luggage nga mungi nga tajam, you can extend eno zip ogisumulula. That's the use of it. Yeah. So eno cream last time twali tetugirina kati yino erabiseeko. So locking system yaffe wetuwefaanana olockingira wano bw'omala oteekamu ebintu byo byonna. It's a wide handle. Kakesi kalungi nnyo kalabika bulungi ka 2-piece. You can either choose to go with this size or the medium size. Kankulaga small size weyenkana munda mwekwasa nnyo baana mmwe tate tewatulaze small size weyenkana. So this is how the small size looks like. Kenkana bwekati. It's big enough banaye. Kagendamu ebintu ebya week bwoba bipanzeemu bulungi. Yeah. This is how big it is. Nako kaina special laptop. Yeah. That's how it is. Banaye wabi. Omanyi neewaayo ne ngamba abantu bange. Ekintu baba bakyagadde. Never chiba sold out, I'll bring it back. So, omulanga gwawuliddwa bwe kityo ab'obuyinza ne basalawo. So this is the cream one. Kaina cream color. Kaina navy blue. Ka navy blue kafaanana wekati. Navy blue naye 2 pieces zizo. Wekati oka black. And then tukaina ne mu grey. Mukalabye eringa silver but it's grey. Yeah, ono si silver. Tukaina ne mu grey color. Yeah. So you just tell me the color you want. Ne tukuleetera on your door. Yeah. So thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you so much for loving us. Ab'oluzungu nkyalukolako nkyakirowoozaako video y'oluzungu nga mundeke anyway.